Canon R8 guys in 2026, and I have 50mm, and then this one is the adapter. EF to EOS R adapter. Okay. All right.
Napakahalaga po kasi po may mga kasama po kami sa barangay, mga kalugar namin na may masakit, mga matatanda.
All right, for ano, I will testing dito as testing, video testing, and autofocus testing.
Na hindi na